And welcome back to Open Your Eyes on this cool Friday morning. Now, the conversation is about to shift. We're about to talk about International Credit Union Day, which comes up next week, Thursday. That's the particular day. Thursday, the 15th of October, International Credit Union Day. But we've got the folks in to tell us all about it, and these guys are actually deep-rooted already. We're talking here Darren Leal, who is a finance officer at HRCU. We have Lindbergh Smith, who is a business development officer at Belize Credit Union League, Emery Young, senior operations manager at St. Martin's Credit Union, and Salome Choco, who is a marketing officer at Toledo Teachers Credit Union. I think she's there. She's here with us. Oh, not yet. But guys, good morning.
Hi, good morning. Good morning, John.
And welcome. It's nice to have you guys in. We want to jump on into the conversation. Talk to us, credit unions. What does this mean for our community and our country? Making life easier, better?
That's the point. That's the point.
Anybody, jump on it.
All right. Well, I can start off just to say, yes, this is normally the time of year when credit unions are busy countrywide. However, this year due to COVID-19, it has somewhat changed. So we have decided to do things virtually this year, and this 15th of October will be our 72nd anniversary of International Credit Union Day. So we have come quite a long time. The first time that has been celebrated is in 1948. So that's the first year when we celebrated Credit Union Day, and since then the global movement has grown and propelled into what it is today. For us, credit unions here in Belize, where we decided to do a virtual competition or challenge, dubbed hashtag I love my credit union, or hashtag my credit union inspiring hope. And so not to just have the credit union month just pass us by like that, we decided to, guess what? Let's get our members involved and see what our members and how we can give back to our members in some way. And this year, we're asking members, we have about 6 credit unions participating, HRCU, St. Martin's, TPCU, La Immaculada, St. Francis Xavier Credit Unions, and St. John's Credit Union, and all participating in this competition this year. And so we're asking and encouraging members of those participating credit unions to either send in an article, hashtag I love my credit union, why you love your credit union, or send in a video clip about why you love your credit union, or my credit union inspiring hope, or how it helps you to build hope in today's community. So it's about reflecting and thinking why and how your credit union has improved your lives over the years. And the importance of Credit Union Day is about reflecting, looking at all our challenges, our successes, and celebrating our accomplishments over the years. Because while we have not talked about many things, credit unions have been there doing quite a lot in the lives of many Belizeans over the years. And so this is just one way in which we're asking members, say what credit union have done for you in a fun way. And you will be able to submit that electronically to your credit union. And on the 23rd, which is the following Friday after next week, after the 15th, credit unions will then award the best 2 submissions. So you want to make it a winning submission, a winning entry. So be creative in what you submit, be creative in what you do. And then the best 2 submissions from each participating credit union will then be submitted to the league, where the league will select the ultimate 2 from there and then give them another token of appreciation. And we will publicize those 2 winners on our Facebook page, on our website, and via our quarterly newsletter as well. So that is the main activity for this credit union month. Individual credit unions are doing a lot more than just this particular activity. So I'm certain they will be able to tell you more about what they will be doing and how members can become more involved at their credit union.
All right, so let's, with that said, I'd like to jump on to, I think this is my gym brother, Darren Leal. D, where are you?
Yes, I'm right here, my brother.
Finance officer, HRCU. Yeah, that's my gym brother. So let's jump on into it. D, what will HRCU do to celebrate?
Well, before we start, I just want to, morning Marlene and John. And I just want to say good morning to Belize and to the HRCU family. Well, for this year's International Credit Union Day, it's always a day we look forward to in celebrating what credit unions are all about. And I want to give God thanks for blessing this so great credit union movement. When I think about the credit unions and the credit union movement globally, I mean, we have to acknowledge the importance of it. We're talking about a movement, John, that is somewhat, I mean, the driving force, one of the fuels behind our financial economy here in Belize. And when we look at it globally, this powerful movement, it is like the pillar, it's a backbone of our world economy. And so it's something to celebrate. It's a movement that we have to be excited about. I mean, HRCU, this is something that I mean, when we look at the philosophy of credit unions, it's built upon people helping people. And this is what we are all about. We are all about inspiring lives. And so when I saw the theme this year, inspiring hope for a global community, I mean, I couldn't think of any better theme, inspiring hope, because this is what we're about. And when we look at this global pandemic that our country and the entire world is faced with right now, I mean, we can see the impact that credit unions have. We can see, I mean, whether it was, I mean, you lost your job, whether it was you didn't get assistance from the government, or whether it was, I mean, your family relative could not assist you like they did before due to the impacts of this pandemic. We could assure you that our credit union family was there to inspire hope. Wow. When you are at your downtime and in that melted process, we were there. We were there to meet your needs, right? And so at HRCU, we did several different things to ensure that our member owners were able to come in, and we had our representatives meet with them to see how best we could have accommodated their most important, their needs, and there were others with their wants. And so we're happy and we're excited. And like Mr. Smith shared, the initiative from the Belize Credit Union League in partnering with the credit unions came up with this contest. I'm not sure if you guys know, but usually every day around this is Credit Union Month, right? And so we usually would celebrate it by having a quiz contest where we would have students, students would take part in a competition with all the credit unions, bringing awareness of what the credit union is all about, a little history. And so we couldn't do that this year due to the pandemic. And so this virtual competition, having our member owners bringing either, well, for us, it's a 30-second video or a 150-word essay about how HRCU have inspired hope in your lives, right? And so it's really giving our member owners that opportunity to share just how HRCU has done that. And the cash prize, we're giving them a cash prize of first place will be getting $500, second place $300, third place $200. And so we're calling all the HRCU members who are out there to be a part of this amazing celebration. It's pretty easy, and you get a chance to win cash savings. The funds will be deposited into your account. And I just want to share, not to be too long, but I just want to share a few of the inspiring things that HRCU have done just within this year. When we look, John, at our HRCU state-of-the-art housing development, the Eagle Gem Estate, within the past 3 months, we have been moving in new homeowners and, turning houses into homes and looking at the families that are moving in, certainly inspiring hope. And it's very encouraging for us to continue to do what we're doing as a movement. And so another thing I wanted to touch base on is our educational grant. HRCU for decades have been giving back to our country in form of student grants, giving back to our students, inspiring families, inspiring lives, right? And so we are asking our member owners to come out and share this empowering story with our country and with our movement. We're, like I said, we're excited, and all you have to do, member owners, send us a 30-second video of how we've inspired you. Send us a 150-word essay of how HRSU have impacted your life, and you get a chance to win cash savings. So it's very simple. One more thing, guys. Actually, every month, HRSU, we do a raffle, right? This raffle gives up to 10-person $500. And so this year, because it's International Credit Union Month, we'll be doing it twice. So we're giving our member owners a chance to win twice, and they get to win up to 500. Right? So that's how HRSU we're giving back. And like I said, the HRSU continue to celebrate what credit unions is all about, and our HRSU continues to serve our member owners.
Yeah. All right.
All right. So we heard what's happening at Holy Redeemer Credit Union. Let's talk to St. Martin's Credit Union. Emery, tell us what's going on.
Hi, morning, Marlene and John. I just want to say good morning to Belize and, of course, to all the St. Martin's Credit Union members. At this time, this is a very exciting time for us. You know, we've been experiencing the COVID-19 pandemic, and it has made business slower. You know, we have the crowd limit that we have to monitor, so there hasn't been much activity with the membership as they used to be before. So the Credit Union Day, even though virtually, we're hoping that it would create the type of excitement that we need to keep our members motivated at this time. And what St. Martin's Credit Union is doing is having a member challenge whereby our members can play and win, and they can win up to 3 times. So there's basically 3 competitions, and you can participate in 3 of those, and of course you can win cash prizes. So the 3 competitions that we have, the first one is a video competition, similar to those announced earlier, where you could submit a 30 to 60 seconds video explaining to us how St. Martin's Credit Union has inspired you during the COVID-19 pandemic. And believe me, we have inspired members a lot. Remember, people have been losing jobs. We had to be providing people waivers on loans in cases some people lose jobs, to provide them startup loans. So the credit union has really inspired people throughout this time. So it would be good for us to hear our members' testimony at this time. And the competition is split up into 2 segments, where we have age 16 to 35. You'll be able to win $75 cash. And of course, ages 36 plus, you'll be able to win $75 cash as well. And this first video competition, it runs from October 1st to October 9th, 2020. And for you to qualify, of course, it's important for you to pay your loan at this time. So you must be a member in good standings. Now, if you're not a person who tech savvy and you're not into this video, and you can't get the amount of pixels you want to be able to submit something, then we have another challenge for you guys, whereby you can use our products and services and also win. Apart from our loan payments and payroll, we also do online transfer to other institutions for members. So we would like members to take more advantage of the service that we have. So for an online transfer, if you do that up until October 14th, then you automatically qualify to be in a raffle where you will be able to win a $200 hamper. Cool. If you have a payroll coming to the credit union, then of course, you will also have a chance up to October 14th to also win a $200 hamper. And once you're making an over-counter payment, once you're doing a deposit, you're paying your loan, any transaction apart from a withdrawal, basically, then that would also qualify you for a $200 hamper raffle. So there are 3 $200 raffles, one for online transfers, there's one for over-the-counter payments, and then there's also one for the payroll going into accounts. And third but not least is our live International Credit Union Day virtual participation on Thursday, October the 15th, where we'll be going live and we'll be asking our members to submit a photo of them holding up a sign. It don't have to be no fancy sign we are gonna print the Angelus or anywhere. Just write on a piece of paper and show us the love. And all you have to put on that sign is hashtag SMCU, hashtag My Credit Union, hashtag Inspiring Hope, and hashtag International Credit Union Day. And by submitting your photos, we'll be doing a couple selections and you'll be able to win a cash prize on that day as well. So that is what we have in store for our members. But apart from just focusing on the International Credit Union Day, like I said, since March, the credit union has been inspiring hope in a lot of lives, trying to make families make ends meet. And like Darren said, that is what the credit union is all about. So it's a really special time to be working at a credit union, because now you really see the credit union living up to its core values. Even though we have a little distance from the membership, we are providing services that ensure that the relationship with them is very, very close and very, very, very tight. So we appreciate all the members of St. Martin's Credit Union. And of course, we're a brother-sister union, so we appreciate all members in Belize on International Credit Union Day. The credit union is a big movement. We have over 85,000 credit unions in the world, spread out over 118 countries, and they have been supporting each other during the pandemic, and we're hoping that this could continue into next year and beyond. So thank you guys and have a great morning.
All right.
Okay.
Emery, thank you so very much. Now we move on to Salome Choco, who is at the Toledo Teachers Credit Union in lovely Punta Gorda. Don't get me wrong, I might be biased, but let's hear from Salome. Salome, good morning.
Oh, good morning. Thanks for having me on Open Your Eyes. Good morning to our viewers. Good morning to our listeners, especially our members. As we celebrate our International Credit Union Month with our members, despite COVID-19 that affected the global community tremendously, we, with Inspiring Hope, specifics for this month of October, specials being our weekly challenge while keeping connected as we adhere to social distancing. Toledo Teachers Credit Union have decided to do a weekly challenge as we aim to increase our followers on our Facebook page. As often, we share informations and updates on our posts. We're asking our members to participate by liking our page, sharing our posts, and tag us. Tag maybe two or three friends in the comments. Have them follow and like our page. We will be following this up and placing all Toledo Teachers Credit Union members in an app that will randomly select 3 winners, with first prize being $50 cash prize, second prize will be $20 credit, third prize will be $10 credit. This activity will be a weekly activity at the end of October.
Okay.
Our main challenge will be for you, our members, to participate by either creating a 30 seconds video or writing 250 words about how Toledo Teachers Credit Union inspire hope. Why do you love your credit union? We're asking for them to upload and post on our Facebook page. The 2 winners will be chosen by October 21st. With the first prize being $200 in cash and second prize being $150 in cash. The 2 article or video with the most like and comments on our Facebook page will be grand October winners. These 2 winners will also participate on the Belize Credit Union League countrywide that will be chosen on October 23rd. We will also be having a coloring contest with this year's theme for children at home, whether it's kindergarten, primary, and secondary level can participate. The coloring page can be downloaded on our website and Facebook page. Also, we have printed coloring pages will be available at our main and branch office that can can be picked up. We would like to note that all coloring is to be done manually and not on digital coloring apps. 3 winners will be selected, and each winners will be awarded with an assortment of school supplies and sanitary supplies. As mentioned, being that every third Thursday of the month of October since 1948, that has been recognized as International Credit Union Day around this world. Since we are open Thursday only from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m., in all fairness, we will do our celebration with our members on Friday, the 16th of October 2020. We'll be welcoming all our members to visit both main and branch office to do their regular transaction, and each member will be served with light refreshments. Members visiting that day will get the opportunity to enter a raffle in order to win a gift basket with assortment of supplies. The picking of this winner will be held live on Facebook, and all our winners will be posted online at our Facebook page. Also, we encourage our members to use our online services, especially our online loan application that can be accessed through our Facebook page and website. Your requests will be logged and appointment dates can be set. As we want to reduce the long lines in office and adhere to social distancing, Toledo Teachers Credit Union not only celebrating our achievements around this time as we go through the era of COVID-19 with inspiring hope, looking out for our members as they are trying to cope in the confinement of their homes and helping them financially with their struggles as they make ends meet. Toledo Teachers Credit Union once again is growing through membership and offering some financial services to its members as we want a better sustainable development to our community and country of Belize.
All right. So,
Well,
Salome, thank you so very much. And to all of you, actually, it was an excellent time chatting with you. Now we know exactly when this day is going to occur, of course, which is International Credit Union Day, Thursday, October 15th. And we know all the information now at this particular point. Guys, thank you once again. And we do hope that all goes well on International Credit Union Day. We're about to take that break, Marlene, and when we come back, we'll be talking about World Sight Day. So we'll be joined by reps from the Belize Lions Club. Stay with us. We'll be right back.